Have you ever felt that your mind is too full? Too many worries about the future, too many thoughts about what might go wrong, and too many voices inside your head that never seem to stop. What if the secret to peace is not learning more, but letting go of the thoughts that fill your mind? Today's story is about a young man who discovered the power of a quiet mind through one simple lesson. Story. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Armin. He lived in a small village surrounded by tall mountains, green forests, and a gentle river that flowed quietly through the valley. Every morning, the sun rose behind the mountains, painting the sky with soft golden colors. Birds sang in the trees, and cool wind passed through the fields. To anyone looking from the outside, the village looked peaceful. But Armand did not feel that peace. Inside his mind, there was always noise. He worried about his future every day. What will happen to me? What if I fail in life? What if I choose the wrong path? These thoughts never left him alone. Even when he walked near the river or sat under the shade of a tree, his mind was busy thinking about things that had not even happened yet. At night, when the whole village slept peacefully, Armand often stayed awake. He stared at the dark ceiling of his small room while his thoughts moved faster and faster. Sometimes he imagined failure. Sometimes he imagined disappointment. Sometimes he imagined problems that did not even exist. His mind felt like a crowded marketplace, loud, restless, and impossible to control. Days passed like this. Weeks passed. And the more he thought, the more tired his mind became. One afternoon, news spread across the village. A wise old traveler had arrived and was staying in a small hut near the forest. People said he had traveled through many lands and helped many people find clarity and peace. Some villagers visited him to ask questions about life. Others simply sat quietly near him because they felt calm in his presence. When Armand heard about the traveler, he felt a small spark of hope. Maybe this wise man could help him understand why his mind never rested. So the next morning, Armand woke up early and began walking toward the forest. The path was long and narrow. As he walked, he could hear birds singing and leaves moving gently in the wind. After some time, he saw a small wooden hut beside the flowing river. Outside the hut sat an old man with calm eyes and a peaceful smile. He was simply watching the water flow. Armand approached him respectfully and said, "Master, my mind is always full of worries and thoughts. I keep thinking about the future and I cannot find peace. Please teach me how to calm my mind." The old man looked at him quietly for a few seconds. Then he smiled. But instead of giving advice, the master picked up an old basket lying beside him. The basket had many small holes in it. He handed it to Armand and said, "If you truly want to understand peace, first you must complete a simple task." Armand nodded eagerly. The master pointed toward the river and said, "Take this basket to the river and bring it back filled with water." Armand looked confused. The basket clearly had holes in it. But he did not argue. He walked down to the river and dipped the basket into the flowing water. For a moment, the basket filled up. But as soon as he lifted it, the water began to leak out through the holes. Before he could even take 2 steps, the basket was empty again. Armand frowned. He tried again. He dipped the basket into the river and lifted it quickly. But once again, the water flowed out. The basket was empty. He tried a 3rd time, and a 4th time, and a 5th time. Each time the same thing happened. After many attempts, Armand returned to the master and said, "Master, it is impossible. This basket cannot hold water." The old man calmly replied, "Try again." Armand sighed, but he returned to the river. This time he tried moving faster. He dipped the basket again and again. Soon, something interesting began to happen. At first, his mind was full of frustration. But after repeating the action many times, his thoughts slowly began to fade. He stopped thinking about whether the task made sense. He stopped thinking about success or failure. He simply focused on the action. Dip the basket. Lift it. Watch the water flow away. Again and again and again. The sound of the river became soothing. The cool water touched his hands again and again. Time passed slowly. The sun moved across the sky. After many hours, Armand finally stopped. He looked at the basket. Of course, it was still empty, but something inside him had changed. His mind felt strangely calm. For the first time in many days, the endless noise inside his head had become quiet. He walked back to the master. "Master," he said, "the basket still cannot hold water." The old man smiled gently and asked, "Look carefully at the basket." "What do you notice?" Armand looked down. The basket, which had been dusty and dirty before, was now completely clean. The flowing river water had washed away all the dirt. The master nodded and said, "Your mind is like this basket." Armand listened closely. When your mind is full of worries, fears, and endless thoughts, it becomes heavy and dirty, he pointed toward the river. But when you focus on simple actions and live in the present moment, the flow of life slowly cleans your mind. Armand began to understand. The master continued speaking in a calm voice. Peace does not come from controlling every thought. It comes from letting your thoughts flow naturally, just like water in the river. Thoughts will always come and go, but you do not need to hold on to every one of them. Armand sat quietly beside the master. For the first time, he realized something important. His suffering was not caused by life. It was caused by his constant thinking about things that had not happened yet. The master then said something Armand would never forget. Most people spend their lives worrying about the future. But the future is only a story inside their minds. The only moment that truly exists is this moment. Armand sat beside the river for a long time that evening. He listened to the sound of water. He watched the sunlight reflect on the surface. For the first time in years, he simply existed without worrying about tomorrow. The next morning, Armand thanked the master and returned to his village. Nothing around him had changed. The same houses, the same mountains, the same river. But something inside him was different. Whenever his mind began to worry about the future, he remembered the basket. He reminded himself to focus on what he was doing right now. If he was working in the field, he focused on the work. If he was walking by the river, he focused on the sound of the water. Slowly, day by day, his mind became calmer. Months passed. Years passed. People in the village began to notice something different about Armand. He no longer looked worried or restless. Instead, he seemed peaceful and patient. One day, a young boy from the village came to him and asked, "How do you stay so calm all the time?" Armand smiled and pointed toward the flowing river. Then he said, "Sometimes the secret to peace is not filling your mind with more thoughts, but learning how to empty it." Moral of the story. A quiet mind is not created by stopping every thought. It is created by letting thoughts come and go without holding on to them. When you stop worrying about the future and focus on the present moment, your mind naturally becomes peaceful. Sometimes the greatest wisdom is simply this: empty your mind, live in the moment, and let life flow like a river.